Hello, and today I'll play Fortnite. Don't know who I am. I am a random person who does YouTube. Now I'm going to do solos. I'm gonna play. Um, I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm just gonna skip this. So, guys, it is currently loading, and as you can see, I am not very good at Fortnite, which is very weird. It's not usually this laggy. Maybe it's the software that I'm using. But I've got no materials left. Try to kill me. Oh no, the lag is a lot right now. I don't like it. Anyways, I'm just gonna test this out and go straight to Dusty and hope it goes well. And yeah. Now I am. So right now I've off to a bad start. I haven't even landed in the right spot. And what is that? Shield push that. So as you can see, I'm really trash. This is like my second time playing Fortnite. Just gonna drink this real quick. I bet I'll get no kills because of how trash I am. Wow, 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 wow. Worst loadout. The flipping history of mankind. Just need to get that. Drop the pistol. Why do I pick up the pistol? Oh my god. I got the worst loadout, so I'm gonna die. Definitely. No doubt about it. Gonna die straight. I bet. I'm just gonna go for a suicide. Let's go straight in. This will. No. I just don't even know. Oh my gosh. Look, this guy's got a blimming pump. Okay, now I have a pump. The lag. What? It's not shooting. Oh, one last bullet, guys. One last bullet.